In today's fast-paced world, when we find ourselves in need of extra money to fulfill our needs and wants, we can always count on technology to swoop in like a caped hero, rescuing us from financial woes. As the go-to source for information and solutions, technology also offers many income-generating opportunities. In times when savings or allowances run dry, we can turn to various digital avenues to explore freelance work, online courses, e-commerce ventures, affiliate marketing, and more. With technology at our fingertips, the possibilities are endless, making it easier than ever to discover a source of income that aligns with our skills and interests, and even earn more. So, let's embrace this technological bonanza and turn our bank accounts into virtual treasure chests, all while avoiding becoming the cliché of a starving artist because, well, who needs that kind of stereotype? Welcome to Nova Society, the world's best finance channel for personal finance. If you're tired of boring old financial advice that puts you to sleep faster than counting sheep, then this is the perfect channel for you. Make sure to like this video, click the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to keep you updated on our recent uploads. And remember, we promise not to bore you to tears with complex jargon and mind-numbing charts. We're here to make finance fun and profitable. Remote sales. One way to earn your first $100,000 online is by becoming a remote sales representative, even if you lack prior sales experience. Selling is a skill that can be learned relatively quickly. Research indicates that 1/3 of individuals possess a natural talent for sales, while another third can easily acquire the skills to earn a six-figure income annually. However, the remaining third may find sales unsuitable and should consider alternative means to make money. For the 2/3 with potential in sales, diving into the field of sales representation can be life-changing. For example, in a technology company, one could start with no experience and, within 5 weeks, earn around $5,000 per month, which is a substantial paycheck. The ultimate goal for online sales representatives should be to aim for $120,000 per year, but talented individuals can potentially earn over $40,000 per month. This demonstrates the significant earning potential in this field. So, get ready to charm your way to financial success and impress clients with your virtual charisma. YouTube. Starting a YouTube channel can be a life-changing opportunity, and it's essential to remember that it's never too late to begin. The potential for earning on YouTube is significant, especially once you establish a successful channel. With various revenue streams like AdSense, sponsorships, partnerships, and product sales, you could potentially earn up to $100,000 monthly. However, creating a YouTube channel is a learning journey, and instant perfection is unlikely. The key is to take that crucial first step and then continue honing your skills and growing your channel over time. YouTube's versatility allows you to explore various content types, from tutorials and vlogs to gameplay videos, educational content, and product reviews. By finding a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise, you can engage your audience more effectively. Each view, comment, and like on your videos play a role in enhancing future content and attracting more followers. Additionally, creating and promoting courses can be an excellent way to generate income and further expand your brand. The journey might be challenging, but with dedication and persistence, your YouTube channel can evolve into a rewarding and fulfilling venture. So, get ready to become a viral sensation and bring laughter and knowledge to the masses. Courses. Leveraging your extensive knowledge in a specific subject can open doors to earning money online. However, despite the desire to monetize their expertise, many individuals are held back by fears of failure or dissatisfied customers seeking refunds. To attract a substantial customer base, it's crucial to address common pain points experienced by people online. Notably, the example of an online course about Excel spreadsheets generating over $100 million in sales highlights the potential profitability of niche expertise. If you possess skills in organizing and using Notion, you could potentially earn an impressive $100,000 annually online. The real challenge lies in creating a high-quality course and effectively building an audience, as many struggle to grasp the marketing efforts needed to attract clients. Skillshare emerges as a highly recommended platform for offering courses due to its royalty model and comprehensive marketing support, making it an ideal launchpad for your first online course. By overcoming challenges and capitalizing on your knowledge, you can unlock tremendous opportunities in the digital learning landscape. So, get ready to be the next online education superstar, sharing your wisdom with the world. Freelancing. Engaging in freelance work to make money online has become a widely embraced and effective approach. Online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer serve as powerful connectors, linking skilled freelancers with businesses and individuals seeking a diverse range of services, such as graphic design, writing, programming, and digital marketing, among others. To thrive in this competitive landscape, crafting a strong and captivating profile is paramount. It should vividly showcase your expertise, featuring past work samples, relevant certifications, and valuable experiences. Highlighting your strengths and conveying your unique value proposition will differentiate you from others vying for opportunities. Finding a specific niche to specialize in can elevate your standing further, honing your writing skills for technology, health, or finance, for instance. Through consistent delivery of high-quality work and building a reputable brand, you can gain recognition as a successful freelancer, inching closer to earning your first $100,000 online. As you carve your path in this dynamic field, embracing dedication, professionalism, and innovation will set you apart and pave the way for long-term financial success. So, get ready to join the ranks of the freelancing elite and become your own boss. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a method where you identify products online and advertise them through platforms like Facebook, Google, TikTok, or other third-party platforms that handle product delivery. As the middleman, you enjoy the profit margin without the hassle of managing product shipment. Though appealing, the drawback lies in the small gross margins and significant advertising costs that can diminish its advantages. However, there are currently numerous cost-effective ways to promote products, such as utilizing TikTok Shorts and Reels, which offer free traffic without the need for advertising expenses. Additionally, with someone else handling product delivery, the burden is lessened. Finding the right product may require extensive testing and trial, but once you discover a successful one, it can significantly propel you towards earning $100,000. While dropshipping presents challenges, it also presents opportunities to thrive in the online business landscape, making it an attractive venture for aspiring entrepreneurs seeking financial growth. So, get ready to become an e-commerce maven and have customers flocking to your virtual storefront. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn commissions by promoting products, services, or software. Many major companies, including Amazon, have affiliate marketing programs. The advantage of promoting products in high demand is that they practically sell themselves. A prime example is Andrew Tate's Hustlers University, where a simple affiliate marketing program led to rapid growth and significant demand. Some affiliates were making substantial monthly earnings by sharing snippets of his podcasts on platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels. You can promote various items, such as software, courses, or information products, and earn a percentage on each sale. It is crucial to choose products you genuinely believe in, as it makes promotion easier. Finding accessible sources of traffic is essential, as it helps you sell affiliate offers without additional costs. As an affiliate, you can promote multiple products or services simultaneously, potentially increasing your income. On the other hand, starting an e-commerce allows you to directly sell products or services to consumers. So, get ready to don the hat of an affiliate marketing maestro and earn commission checks that make your friends jealous. E-commerce. Embracing a global audience brings invaluable opportunities to transcend geographical limitations and broaden your customer base beyond the confines of traditional physical stores. Venturing into the realm of online stores proves to be a more cost-effective approach compared to maintaining brick-and-mortar establishments, as it spares you from expenses associated with renting physical space, utility bills, and staffing. The digital landscape allows you the flexibility to offer unique products you create or leverage dropshipping to sell items without the burden of inventory management. Conducting in-depth market research is imperative to identify high-demand products, while prioritizing excellent customer service is essential for cultivating customer loyalty and satisfaction. Harnessing the power of effective marketing through social media, email campaigns, and search engine optimization (SEO) can significantly drive traffic to your online store, paving the way for increased sales and revenue. The digital era presents an array of online platforms, including Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy, as welcoming gateways to kickstart your e-commerce venture, empowering you to embark on a rewarding journey of global entrepreneurship. So, get ready to be an e-commerce trailblazer and rake in the virtual dollars. It's worth noting that there are numerous other ways to succeed in the online world, and new opportunities emerge constantly. So you should pay attention to what you are capable of and what the market is looking for, then you can start researching your way toward developing new skills. Always remember that the process of getting to your first $100,000 will never be easy, because it will always be a learning process and you will always be a work in progress. If you want to learn more about personal finance and generational wealth building strategies, visit our channel and subscribe for more enlightening videos to increase your wealth.